Hi, I just got a question about whether you can batch upload images to a Squarespace gallery, and you absolutely can. You absolutely can. So I'm going to give you a demo on how to do that. If we haven't met, I'm Sarah Berkeley, and I run Expansive Media, where I build custom Squarespace websites and premium Squarespace templates. So I'm going to dig in here and show you how to batch upload and also batch delete images from your gallery. Here we are inside Squarespace, and you will see that I have a gallery section right here in the middle. And what we're going to do is replace these images. So batch upload a bunch of other images and then batch delete these. So I'm at an edit area, right? So we're going to click into here and we click this icon for the images. And now we see all the gallery here. So first let's click one and you hold your shift key down and click the bottom, and then you just delete all 9 right there. And that is how you batch delete. You can see in the background they all disappeared. Now let's add a bunch of images back. Hit this plus icon up here, upload images, and here I've got a bunch of images right here. So we'll just choose a bunch. Now I'm just holding the shift key down, so I click the top one, hold the shift key and click the bottom one. Okay, and if I don't want all of those, I can hold the command key down on Mac and deselect ones in the middle, and then hold the shift key again. We'll take them all the way to the bottom when I click. All right, let's click open, and that will add them to our gallery here. Now this is going to take a little minute because these files are quite large. You actually want to resize your images so they're smaller using Lightroom or an online Resizer. So we'll just give that a second to upload. Now I can see the images appearing in this window here. We've got the last one just loading here, and you can see they popped up in the background as well. Now if we want to adjust each individual image, you can click on it here in the pop-up window, add a description, a link if it needs to go to another page or somewhere else. If you want to crop the image, you can edit it in here. And there you have it. Now you know how to batch upload and batch delete your images from your Squarespace gallery. I'm going to link below to an online resizer. I mentioned that it's a good idea to resize your images so they're smaller. You can use Adobe Lightroom is really great for that. You can do that in a batch, or you can use one of these online resizers to make the images smaller. And the reason for that is that it makes your web page load faster, and it also helps you rank higher in Google, so it's good for your SEO to have smaller images. I hope that helped. Let me know, and take care.